In this video, as luxury lovers, we're going to be talking about the resale value of Tiffany & Co. jewelry pieces, specifically discussing the resale value of Tiffany & Co.'s sterling silver pieces. Tiffany & Co. is a jewelry company bordering on 200 years of history now, founded in 1837 in New York City. While the brand offers a multitude of precious metals and even stones, including diamonds, something that has always puzzled me about Tiffany & Co. as a jewelry lover is its sterling silver pieces, and specifically the prices of these pieces and the resale value that they garner. As a special metals investor, I am acutely aware of the difference in price between special metals such as sterling silver and gold. I will post up here an example of one of the corporations that I purchased my gold and silver all precious bars from, being the very highly reputed TD Bank in Canada. And just here on a one-to-one comparison, you can see that when it comes to Canadian dollars, 1 ounce of gold is selling for $3,900 and 1 ounce of silver is not even at the $50 mark, making a difference of tens and tens of times in price between the raw materials, quasi-raw, I suppose, as they have been converted into bars. Nonetheless, we see on Tiffany's website that despite this intrinsically lower value of silver, Tiffany's silver pieces command a price that is almost equivalent to what those pieces would cost if they were gold, if made by non-brand name jewelers, for example. Nonetheless, not only do these sterling silver pieces retain their high sticker price from Tiffany itself over the years, but what is quite striking is that they retain a very high value in the resale market, sometimes even costing more in the resale market despite being older and worn products. Examples that come to mind include the Elsa Peretti products that are notorious for this and include pieces that are literally worth more the second you walk off the lot, owing to their prestige in the market. Now, as a lawyer and a business owner myself, what I came across in researching why Tiffany & Co. pieces, specifically the silver pieces, hold their value so well in the resale market was a bit surprising. The reason I was surprised is that there didn't seem to be a special magic formula, right? So many times when we research, we expect to find something that is groundbreaking. Instead, what I found when it came to my research on Tiffany & Co. as to why the pieces retain their resale value included some reasons that you might already be anticipating. For example, craftsmanship came at the top of the list. Tiffany & Co. pieces are meant to endure the test of time. In fact, there are many women and men in my circles that have Tiffany pieces that are decades old that shine as if they were purchased yesterday. So the craftsmanship of these products is definitely there. They are not, on average, the flimsy products that when you bang your bracelet across the counter or table, it's going to break. They are meant to withstand time. That is a point of pride for the company. A second reason that Tiffany & Co. sterling silver pieces retain their resale value includes the simple, timeless designs of the pieces themselves. It's true that over the years, Tiffany & Co. has included more exciting products perhaps than they did back in the day. However, when you look at jewelry companies on the other end of the extreme, if you're from the US, for example, you might recognize a company named Claire. Those companies know they cannot compete when it comes to quality. Therefore, one of their main points of differentiation in the fast and cheap jewelry market is the designs. You're going to have the donut earrings and the pizza earrings and the cactus necklaces. However, when it comes to Tiffany, you can find many products on the page's website today that look exactly or very closely the same as they did when the company was first founded, including its first ever bracelet design, the chain link with a a heart charm dangling off of it. They still make that same exact product today. Another iconic Tiffany design is the silver pearl or silver bead design. There is nothing controversial or upsetting or trendy in a sense about this design, which, although that might sound like a negative, it actually ensures the longevity of the piece. The third and final reason I found when conducting my research on why this brand maintains its resale value, and I don't mean final reason in that there might not be more reasons, I mean final reason that I feel comfortable stamping as a lawyer, final legitimate reason. Regarding the enduring legacy and history of the brand itself, this has become a bit of a chicken and egg. You cannot have history to your brand without withstanding the test of history, and you cannot withstand the test of history without, well, lest we sound circular, being around for a very long time. Assuming two brands of equal quality and products, but one brand is almost 200 years old, such as Tiffany is, and one brand just opened up last year, chances are you would go with a more established brand for a myriad of reasons. Tiffany is worth more intrinsically because of the legacy it carries. It is a tried and true product in the jewelry marketplace. And although this video is all about Tiffany & Co.'s sterling silver pieces and their resale value, it's worth acknowledging that the other prong of the Tiffany business is the diamond jewelry business. And Tiffany has historically had some of the world's most expensive and largest diamonds in the world for sale. Not to mention, arguably, Tiffany & Co. almost 200 years ago now, created the iconic ring design, the most iconic ring design of all, the 6-pronged solitaire diamond ring, which actually today is so interwoven in modernity and we take it for granted. It is the very symbol of a diamond ring design on the Apple iPhone. I thank you for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts below. Tiffany & Co. is very clearly one of the top 3, if not top, depending on what you research, jewelry brands out there when it comes to the jewelry pieces, maintaining exceptionally high resale value. And again, as I mentioned at the beginning, this was something particularly surprising to me as a jewelry lover, as a special metals collector, as a logical individual that looks at the product and thinks, this is silver. It's not gold, it's not platinum, and so on and so forth. And yet, here we are. Thank you again for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Please go ahead and click subscribe so you can support the channel and I can keep making more of this content for free, sharing authentic thoughts on value and whether something truly is worth it or not with you so that you don't have to misspend your hard-earned dollars. When it comes to Tiffany & Co., I would say that overall these sterling silver pieces make for a good investment, and if you want to hedge your bets, you are welcome to start with a lower price point product from the company so that you can test the quality and test the resale value of the product without spending all of your money on that product. As you already know, we will be back next week with another luxury video. Thank you for watching.